Nyanyian lagu Malam Keajaiban, ladies and gentlemen, the singing of the song Magic of the Night in a moment. Tepukan pada penyanyi kita, artis kita, Shafina Selamat. Terima kasih. Thank you to the Malaysia recording star, Shafina Selamat, and the dancers from Istana Budaya. Tuan-tuan dan puan sekalian, kita akan memulakan acara perarakan bot berhias. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now commence the parade of the colorful floats. Menghampiri kemah utama, sebentar lagi hadirin sekalian, bot berhias daripada Kementerian Pelancongan dan Kebudayaan dengan tema mereka Tahun Melawat Malaysia 2014. Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the main tent is the colorful boat from the Ministry of Tourism and Culture with the theme Visit Malaysia Year 2014. Lagu inilah lagu tema Tahun Melawat Malaysia, celebrating One Malaysia, truly Asia. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the theme song for the Visit Malaysia Year 2014. Celebrating One Malaysia, truly Asia. Pertembakan Visit Malaysia Malaysia kita saksikan bangunan Sultan Abdul Samad yang merupakan pencipta dan Kuala Lumpur. Ladies and gentlemen, for our international guests, the float from the Ministry of Tourism and Culture features the Sultan Abdul Samad Historical Building, which is one of the iconic buildings of Kuala Lumpur, built in 1894 to 1897 during the British administration. Di hadapan pengenal ini telah berdiri mencari diturunkan dan berlayan dinaikkan pada 20 Ogos dan turut dipaparkan salah satu program pelancongan yang inovatif, yaitu program homestay, program yang telah mendapat penganugerahan berprestij UNWTO Ulysses Award for Innovation and Public Policy and Governance. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the innovative Malaysian tourism products is the homestay program. This program has received the prestigious award, which is the UNWTO, or the United Nations World Tourism Organization, Ulysses Award for Innovation in Public Policy and Governance in 2012. Featuring the Festival of Multiracial One Malaysia, memaparkan perayaan-perayaan masyarakat majmuk yang kaya dengan budaya dan kesenian tersendiri. Selamat datang ke Malaysia. Welcome to Malaysia. Tepukan hadirin sekalian untuk Kementerian Pelancongan dan Kebudayaan Malaysia. Big round of applause to the Ministry of Tourism and Culture, Malaysia. Sebentar lagi hadirin sekalian, bot berwarna-warni antarabangsa dari Suzhou, Republik Rakyat China. Ladies and gentlemen, a colorful boat from Suzhou City, People's Republic of China. Suzhou merupakan sebuah bandar yang indah dan maju yang terletak di negara Ulaya Timur China, bersebelahan bandar Shanghai. Ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful city, Suzhou, in the Republic of China, located in the southeast of Shanghai. The city of Suzhou is well known for its long and rich history, dating back to more than 2,500 years ago. Pada sujud kaya sejarahnya yang tersendiri melebihi 2.500 tahun. Dinding bandar, bangunan lama, jalan-jalan dan jambatan astaka, bunga teratai yang berkembang, serta cuaca yang sentiasa cerah adalah keistimewaan Suzhou dan menjadikannya sebuah bandar yang mempunyai warisan kebudayaan dan cita rasa modern. The city walls, ladies and gentlemen, old buildings, streets, bridges, canals, traditional pavilions, blossoming lotus, and warm weather represent the ancient Suzhou culture. And this waterfront city is built with a mix of urban and natural elements, a shining example of the ancient culture, preserved heritage with a touch of modernization. Inilah keindahan kota raya Suzhou di negara China. Keindahan dan yang tersendiri, kita mesti berikan tepukan yang gemuruh sekali habisnya. A big round of applause to Suzhou, China. Shijiniman, terima kasih, thank you. Very beautiful indeed. Sungguh menakjubkan habisnya. Sebentar lagi kita akan sama-sama saksikan pula bot berhias dari negeri Perak dan Ridwan. Negeri Perak yang kaya dengan khazanah dan jadikan pelacur. Negeri di mana yang berhormat menteri kita, Menteri Pelancongan dan Kebudayaan, berasal dari negeri Perak dan juga wakil rakyat Kuala Kangsar. Ladies and gentlemen, for your information, this next float is from the state of Perak dan Ridwan, rich in its cultural heritage and a treasure and a beautiful location for tourists to Malaysia. This is also the state where our Minister of Tourism and Culture hails from, and he is the wakil rakyat of the People's Man from Kuala Kangsar, Panik Ringas, that lives in Kuala Kangsar. We have beautiful features. The Masjid Ubadiah Al-Ubadiah Mosque, ladies and gentlemen. Masjid Ubadiah yang terletak di Bukit Chandai, Kuala Kangsar, kubah emas dan menara masjid melambangkan keindahan semiotik Islam. Dibuka pada tahun 1912 oleh Sultan Jalil Kamar Umar Shah. Masjid ini menjadi penciptaan Kuala Kangsar. The float making its way in front of us, ladies and gentlemen. You can see the very wonderful and magnificent mosque, the Ubadiah Mosque, located in the royal town of Kuala Kangsar, was graced by the late Sultan Jalil Kamar Umar Shah in 1917. The mosque with the gold dome is the landmark of Kuala Kangsar. The very famous Leaning Tower of the Lointan. Not only we have the Leaning Tower in Pisa, Italy, but we have a Leaning Tower in the Lointan, Perak. It has 110 staircases and serves as a water tank. It was built primarily to store water for local usage during the dry season. The town of Taiping, ladies and gentlemen, has over 33 gazetted firsts in the country. The first zoo, the first police station, and many, many more. Taiping, Perak. We have Kelly's Castle, which was built by a Scottish man named William Kelly Smith for his beautiful wife in 1915, but came to a halt in December 1926. And today it brings the romance back in Old England to life in Perak. One of the beautiful islands, Pakor, is one of the most popular vacation islands on the west coast. Though it is promoted as a tourist destination, it is for every Malaysian to share. Keindahan negeri Perak dan Ridwan yang unik dan tersendiri. Kita berikan tepukan yang gemuruh pada negeri Perak Darul Ridwan. A big round of applause to the state that's the very first. 33 gathered first in just one little town, Taipei. Dan sebentar lagi hadirin sekalian dari negeri Perak Darul Ridwan, kita akan ke negeri pintu masuk selatan semenanjung Malaysia. Mana tu? Negeri Johor. Jadi saya, ladies and gentlemen, from the southern gateway of Peninsula Malaysia, the state of Johor welcomes you. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, bertemakan Explore Johor. Berpergias negeri Johor memaparkan pusat pelancongan terkini di negeri Johor Darul Takzim seperti Hello Kitty, Johor Premium Outlet dan Legoland. Tadi orang Perak tepuk kuat-kuat ke negeri Perak. Sekarang orang Johor tepuk kuat-kuat ke negeri Johor. Ladies and gentlemen, Explore Johor is the Johor float, design concept that impeccably captures the essence and the embodiment of Johor's tourism attraction. It translates the perfect blend of iconic tourism activities, internationally acclaimed family-oriented entertainment outlets, the rapid development of the state, and our very own star-studded football club in the generation of the boat. Gabungan ikon aktiviti pelancongan pusat hiburan keluarga bertaraf antarabangsa Malaysia, pembangunan rancak yang terkini serta klub sultan bola sepak bertaraf bintang, hiasan pun menggambarkan negeri Johor yang seimbang dari segi kebesaran pembangunan ekonomi. Johor juga terkenal dengan tarian dan lagu-lagu bercorak Zapin seperti yang diperdengarkan sekarang. Johor, ladies and gentlemen, is proudly the owner of the Zapin, brought to the state centuries ago by the Arab traders, and now Zapin is very popular and well received by all the communities in all the states of Malaysia and also Indonesia, Brunei Darussalam, Singapore, and even Southern Thailand. Ladies and gentlemen, the decoration of the boat comprises multiple iconic activities with historic and new attractions, namely Legoland Malaysia, the sixth in the world, Hello Kitty theme park, the Sultan Iranian building, and many products for tourism, which includes the International Kite Festival, Johor Darul Takzim football team, promotional element of Visit Malaysia year 2014, and of course, Explore Johor. Kita berikan tepukan kepada negeri Johor Darul Takzim. Terima kasih. Thank you, Johor Darul Takzim. Pintu masuk selatan semenanjung Malaysia, the southern gateway of Peninsula Malaysia, Johor. Dari Johor, kita ke wilayah persekutuan Putrajaya. Ladies and gentlemen, from Johor, we are now at the federal territory of Putrajaya. Dibawa khas oleh Perbanan Putrajaya, brought specially by the Putrajaya Corporation. Wakili pihak berkuasa tempatan wilayah Persekutuan Putrajaya dan Perbanan Putrajaya hadirin sekalian aktif mempromosikan Putrajaya sebagai destinasi pelancongan antarabangsa dengan menunjukkan seni bina, taman rekreasi, aktiviti sukan air dan tasik selaras dengan strategi untuk menggalakkan gaya hidup sehat. Ladies and gentlemen, the Putrajaya Corporation, as the city administrator and local authority for Putrajaya, is committed in its stride towards the organization's Vision 2015 for Putrajaya to be a well-managed, vibrant and prosperous federal government and inclusive center of Malaysia. Kita ucapkan setinggi-tinggi terima kasih. We would like to say thank you to the man who also successfully lead the Putrajaya Corporation. Tepuk tangan khas pada Tan Sri Dato' Sri Dr. Asif Cik Mat. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to the President of Putrajaya Corporation, Tan Sri Dato' Sri Dr. Asif Cik Mat. Since he moved and left the Putrajaya Corporation, Dato' Sri Asif has lost about 15 kilograms, both him and his wife, because he has been living well, very healthy, and doing a lot of joggings and walkings in this beautiful lake run. Betul tak? So, kami berikan terima kasih kepada sekalian Tan Sri Asif dan istrinya Puan Sri dan seluruh keluarga sudah turun daripada berantan yang tak cantik kepada berantan yang cantik sekali. 15 kilogram dia jatuh.